Welcome to tonight's match between the Sydney Roosters and the Brisbane Broncos. We're hot in the grandstands to watch this one. Andrew Voss with you, and alongside me is Eddie Hemmings.
Yes, a little bit overcast here, and the forecast is for late showers. Let's hope the rain stays away. Looking forward to seeing what these two sides can produce on the field here. Plenty of talk in the build-up, and both coaches confident of their sides producing a result. This will be an intriguing match, Andrew.
That's a very long run. That'll say 4 points, that tackle. Manu dashes out of dummy half. Is tackled after making good metres. And he'll have to play the ball after that tackle. Liu.
He doesn't need any support. He score.
Wow, what a start to the match. The Roosters. He's not about to take this kick for granted. Touch judges put their flags up. There's 2 points. The Roosters lead 6-0. Kicks long. He's there to bring the kick back. Shrugs off the tackle. Shrugging off another.
The footwork. He's running them ragged.
Finally wrapped up. Has a look and passes long. Out of my way, he says. Beats a tackle. He runs through another. Forced backward. They finally bring him down. Hey, Twinkle Toes. Nice tackle.
Hill, let him up. 3 hands away.
Slips the pass. Wrapped up. No way through. Keeps it alive. And the attack just keeps on coming. Napa. He finds open pasture. Caught by a pair of defenders. 5th tackle. Let's see what they can come up with. Warrior Hargreaves tries his luck with a bomb. Under the high ball and well taken. The Sydney Roosters survive. They managed to survive. Sims crosses the 10-metre line.
He's held there. 1, release.
Milford. And down he goes. Milford. Bang! With a step. Wrapped up. No way through. Does well to keep it alive. Boyd evades that tackle. Good burst this one. They finally wrap him up. Still a couple of tackles left here. Powers forward.
Hill, 5, markers lock in.
Milford with a punt. Play on as the call. Shoves his way through. Powerful stuff. Ooh, force backwards.
Clear him.
Cronk. Just short of the halfway line. Napa. In open pasture now. Finally wrapped up on the 30-metre line. Liu. That is strong. Shoving off that tackle. The tackle is a double act. They roll forward again. Friend senses a chance out of acting half. Napa. Sheesh. Driven back. Ball and all tackle. Napa. Sloppy play. Poor pass. Hey.
Well, that's how it's done. He's scored.
Now that is what... Couple of deep breaths as he looks to kick this one. Oh, nice work. Coolly done.
The coach will be over the moon with this performance so far, but there's still a long way to go.
The Roosters lead 12-0 here. Decides the deep kick is the way to go. Keary there to field the kick. Delivering the short ball. He brushes off the tackle. Driven back. Charges up and through a tackle. Bursts through the line. There's plenty in pursuit. Back-to-back tries. That's 2 in a row. With a try. Takes a deep breath. this bloke's style. The goal is there.
Brisbane will be starting to feel the pressure now. The home side can be hard to stop when they get on a roll like this at home.
The Sydney Roosters. We know from history this team are great at home. Goes long. Good burst this one. He's caught by the defence. Good tackle there.
Hands away.
Cronk. Fends off the defence. Breaks the line. He is now all on his own. Going as fast as he can. Kiri. Unstoppable.
Try, and he makes it look so easy.
That's a try to the home team, and listen to the fans. Kiri found some open space. Not the easiest of kicks. Mitchell is kicking well in this match. As the stat shows, he's nailed 3 from 3. It didn't look too bad off the boot, but no goal.
The Brisbane Broncos will be thinking about what the opposition have been able to do to other teams at home. They'll need to step up if they want to avoid the floodgates from opening here.
The Roosters, the home team are leading, decides the deep kick is the way to go. Good burst this one, inside their own 20-metre line. Brushes off the defence. Finally taken down.
Just a second. He's held there.
White ball. Brushes through the tackle.
Held. Right, that's a third.
Kiri, plenty of determination in that run. Man, can't he throw a long pass? He brushes off the tackle. That's strong. Finally brought to ground. The Sydney Roosters are looking dangerous every time they get the ball. Napa, that's tackle 5. Warrior Hargreaves. Oh, nice work. Short pass. Charges at the defence. Pointing. Tackle play was a little pointing. Time for a changeover. Milford. Nikarima. Carrying defenders with him. Wow.
Move.
You might hear more about this tackle. He's gone high.
I'm not saying it's ugly, but that tackle clearly wouldn't get many Valentine's Day cards.
To kick for touch. That ball is over the sideline. He restarts with a tap. He's got momentum. Still going. Finally wrapped up on the 20-metre line. Milford.
Held. 2.
Good ball. And there it is. Kick at goal still to come. Judges that one to perfection. The Sydney Roosters lead 22-6. Decides the deep kick is the way to go. And he's in position to field the kick. Good burst this one. He surges forward. Great strength.
Release.
Here's a run from dummy half. Powers forward. This is good. Grabbed by the defence.
Keep going. Held.
With a quick pass. Wrapped up. No way through.
3.
Was never onside.
Not a popular call with the locals, but despite their objection, it's the right call.
Over the sideline it goes. McCulloch restarts play. Glenn puts him away.
Release.
Milford. Eddie, look at him accelerate. Holding up a short pass. Gillette.
Held.
And he'll have to play the ball after that tackle. Lodge. That's the halftime siren. Lodge with momentum. The Roosters and that brings us to the end of the first half.
Time siren. A good chance for them to regroup. I do feel it's only a matter of time until we...
Referee says, get going, fellas, second half. Welcome back from half-time and we're underway. He snaffles that one.
That's one. Move! He's held there. Held. That's your second.
Sims. Good tackle.
3. Hands off.
Nikarima. Look at the athlete stretching his legs. Out in spaces. That's a try to the visitors. Gillette showed some... With a conversion coming up in front. He pilots the kick over.
That'll give this team's confidence a boost. Now they need a good set from the kick-off. Get to the kick and apply some pressure on the opposition.
The Sydney Roosters. The home side is still in front. Kicks long. He's there to bring the kick back. Out in the open space.
He's held there. Right, here's tackle 1. Held. 2.
Lodge.
He's held there. 3. Back with me.
And they stop him right on the 20-metre line. The Broncos attacking strongly. Nikarima, he finds the accelerator. Shut down by the defence. Just one to go in the set. Milford puts up the bomb. Mitchell under the bomb and cool under pressure. Good tackle. Tupou looking to make ground out of dummy half. That's the 10-metre line. And they stop him right on the 20. Gives him a big don't argue.
He's held there. 3. Hands away.
Real force in this defence. Fourth tackle. Warrior Hargreaves delivers a long ball. Out of my way, he says. Mitchell makes the tackle. Looks to add a point. I reckon that's play on. Well, they had a prime opportunity to score there, but they've let the defence off the hook with that mistake. Hey, which way did he go? Great step. Surges forward in the tackle.
2 hands away.
Milford. Glenn driving forward.
3 back with me.
Nikarima cutting out his teammates. Offloads the ball. Good tackle. Finding support inside. Still a couple of tackles up their sleeve here. And with a step, he gets away from the defence. He plays the ball on the 40-metre line. He punts it. Tedesco. Eddie says play on. So do I. Well, that's disappointing. They were well in position there to grab some points, but they ended up making a bit of a dog's breakfast of it. Friend has a look and then runs from dummy half. He shrugs off another.
He's proving elusive.
Nice tackle at the finish, but not before he's made plenty of ground. Batters his way through that tackle. He's out into open space. He's tackled there, but he's made good ground. Throws that one way wide. Wading through the defence. Is in the clear. Finally wrapped up. And the attack just keeps on coming. Friend. He's got the support too. Misses the tackle.
He's held there.
He's gone over. That should be a try. Alfie Langer, style kick. Boyd doing well under pressure. That could have been trouble. Sidestep. First tackle. Glenn.
Held. That's your second.
Milford lays it off. Sims powers forward.
Held there. 3.
Glenn. Blocked by the tackle.
Get back.
Tackle 4 made there. Milford.
Hill.
5 tackles.
Markers lock in.
Milford tries his luck with a kick. He's well positioned to take that kick. Out of my way, he said. Hard to contain, and look at this. Now powers through the 40-metre line. Shoves another one off. You don't reckon the home fans like that one? Have a listen to them. The Roosters crowd will ride this kick. That kicks off to the left. The Roosters, the home team, are leading. Goes long. Tedesco there to field the kick. Good burst this one. He just fends off the defence. Did well in that run, but now it's ended. Spreads it wide. Fends off the defence. Plays it right on halfway.
That's your second.
Orbison. Look at this guy brushing through the tackle. Referee calls held. Running along. Nailed by the defence. Still a couple of tackles left here. Wide is the ball. Great strength, great fend. He has his teammates there. Referee signifies 5th tackle. Keary. Nice work. Brushes off the defence. Darting along. Referee has pulled them back for that. Unstoppable. Breaks through the defence. He's got backup too. Surges forward in the tackle. Have a go at him. Is tackled after making good metres. And met front on by that tackle. Gillette lays it off. Play on. Nice tackle. Friend goes himself. Good step. They finally wrap him up. Keary sprinting. Shoves his way through. Plays the ball on the 40-metre line. It went backwards. The Roosters threatening to score. Keary. He brushes off the tackle, just galloping along. The Brisbane Broncos on the back foot here. Good ball. Liu. There's the siren for full time. Looks for the one-pointer. Full time. Well, what did you think?